Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are very welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious Ghana Waakye at home. This one is simple, tasty and perfect for the weekend because honestly weekend Waakye hits different. Without wasting much time, let's get right into it. For this recipe we only need rice, black-eyed beans, waakye leaves, salt and water. First, you wash your beans thoroughly and put them in a pot. Then you add enough water, give it a good stir, add your salt and you let it cook until the beans are soft. One way to make beans cook faster is to soak it overnight before cooking it. When the beans is at boiling point, go ahead and introduce waakye leaves. I'm using the powder form for this recipe. Yes, it's very easy, faster and 10 times more delicious. You make sure the beans is soft and well cooked before you introduce your rice. You add enough rice, give it a good stir. If you want soft waakye like me, you add enough water. Cover it with foil. Then allow it to cook on a low heat, periodically checking on the rice until it's well cooked. Just look at this. This waakye is rich, filling, full of flavor, perfect for the weekend, family time, or anytime you are craving Ghana food. Now it's time to serve. You can eat this with spaghetti, stew, shito, gari, egg, plantain, salad, any protein of your choice. The choice is yours. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section how you enjoy your waakye. Do you want it with extra shito or extra stew? Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!